Welcome to our product showroom, which allows us to showcase our extensive range of products, which include water boosting, sewage, washing and transfer pumps, borehole submersible pumps and motors, starter boxes, steel and fiberglass pressure tanks and expansion vessels, heating products including circulating pumps and heating vessels, boosting and storage tanks including our market-leading multi-boost range, which comes in a wide variety of sizes and capacities and includes fixed speed and variable speed options. We have the ability to build 1, 2 or 3 pump booster sets in-house for our Power Boost range. Inverters for a wide variety of applications. Pump accessories, pipes and hoses, compression, brass, PVC and nylon valves and fittings, tractor, electric and engine high pressure washers, and water treatment products incorporating our eSoft range of cabinet water softeners, the robust range of reverse osmosis systems for hospitality and retail settings, and a range of domestic and industrial UV disinfection systems. The showroom also houses working models of water treatment systems as well as boosting applications for domestic settings. In conjunction with our 36-seat training room, the product showroom is the perfect location to put learning into practice, as we work with our global product partners to deliver remote training, workshops and webinars. For further information, please go to epswater.ie. EPS, Rethinking Water.